Production and sales. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was a defining moment for the iconic car, marking a new era in its production and sales history. That year saw Volkswagen ramp up production, with more than 1 million units rolling off the assembly line in Germany alone. This fine example, a sunroof sedan originally sold for $1,575. The popularity of the VW Beetle was reaching new heights, and it quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, especially in the US, where it gained a massive following. Styling. The exterior styling of the 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history. The front of the VW Beetle was dominated by the large, round headlights and the distinctive VW logo. The rounded hood and fenders, along with the sloping windshield, gave the car a smooth and aerodynamic appearance. The side view of the Beetle was equally impressive, with its gentle curves and rounded doors. The rear of the 1957 VW Beetle was perhaps its most distinctive feature, with its slanted deck and small, oval taillights. Powertrain. Under the hood of this classic car was a simple yet powerful engine that defined the driving experience for millions of people. The engine of the 1957 VW Beetle was an air-cooled, flat-four design that produced an impressive 40 horsepower, up from 36 horsepower in previous years. Despite its modest output, the engine was smooth, reliable, and surprisingly efficient, making it the perfect choice for a car that was designed to be practical and affordable. One of the key advantages of the 1957 VW Beetle's design was its rear-mounted engine, which was coupled with a transaxle that combined the transmission and differential into one compact unit. This unique design allowed for improved weight distribution and better handling, making the car a joy to drive.